So, good evening, everyone. A very warm welcome to all the wonderful women present here today, and a very special welcome to the Cosmos team as well. I would like to invite Ashwini ma'am to share her insights on how she continues to stay so energetic and fit.
Good morning and good evening, everyone. A very warm welcome to our new colleagues from Casmo team. On this occasion of Women's Day, I would like to share a very simple yet powerful quote. Self-care is not selfish. No matter which part of the world we are in, women face similar challenges in life. We spend so much of our time taking care of everyone else that we often forget to take care of ourselves. By choosing a professional path, you have already taken the first step towards self-care and self-empowerment. Having a career not only provides financial stability and independence, but it also builds that inner strength you need to face the challenges that life can throw at you. Even though those times were incredibly challenging, I made a decision for myself not to give up on my job. There was one quote that stuck with me forever, which I'm going to share with you today. No matter how you feel, get up, dress up, and show up. And that's exactly what I did every morning before getting out of bed. And that motivated me every single day. Today, as I look back, I'm deeply grateful for having made that decision because the 28 years of experience I got has shaped the person I am today. Difficult things may seem, never give up on your career or your dreams. Take care of yourself. Number 2, believe in yourself. And most importantly, invest in yourself. Always remember, self-care is not selfish. It's essential and it can be really simple. So take some time out of the day for yourself and go and do one or two of those things, simple things that make your soul happy. Happy Women's Day to all of you. Over to you, Aditi.
Thank you, Ashwini. Dona brings over 8 years of dedicated practice and teaching experience and a warm, practical approach to wellness. Please join me in welcoming Dona Bhattacharya.
Hi, everyone. Thank you so much, Aditi, for that warm introduction. I'm really grateful for this opportunity. The work is done by sitting in the office. And so there is a term called office syndrome, which means that it is a symptoms which are affecting people who sit or stay in the same position for a long period of time. Our body just starts deteriorating. Chair yoga means any yoga which is done sitting on a chair. So when we do the yoga poses, our chakras are activated. And when our chakras are activated, there are some energy which gets released. So I'll just demonstrate. So how we sit is we first sit tall. So first we go into a seated cats and cows.
Thank you. Thank you, Donna, for this wonderful, wonderful session. And thank you so much for your time.